we'll grab our black yarn and I'm going to show you how to make one of the feet. So you're going to start with a slip knot, create a magic ring, and now you're going to place 6 single crochets in the center for row 1. Now that we're done with row 1, we are going to increase in every stitch around for row 2. You'll have a total of 12 stitches. And now for our third and final row, we are going to single crochet all the way around for a total of 12. All right, now we're going to pull out a long tail for sewing. Then we'll thread our embroidery needle. And you're going to weave in and out of every stitch all the way around. Now you're just going to pop a tiny bit of stuffing into the center, just so that the foot doesn't collapse. And then you're going to pull on this drawstring and cinch it, and then weave in and out on the top a few times until it's secure. And then don't cut off this tail because you use it to sew it onto the body.